In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Luseta Color Brightening Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new, make sure that you subscribe before you leave and click the little bell. That way you'll never miss out on another review here on my channel again. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the shampoo and conditioner from Luseta. This is the Color Brightening Purple Shampoo and Conditioner. I'm going to tell you guys how much it is. I used it for about 2 months. I'm going to tell you guys about my review and all that good stuff. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, so the shampoo first. Shampoo claims that it eliminates brassy and yellow tones. It's color safe, free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten for blonde and gray hair. So I don't have blonde hair, I don't have gray hair, but I do have extremely light hair that gets brassy quick. Now, I recently dyed my hair, and it was like a denim gray color. The gray fades quick. Gray takes a lot of maintenance, but the color that I have right now, I get so many compliments, and I'm so thankful because I love my hair color. And one of the reasons is because this shampoo and the conditioner really help maintain the gray, and not even just keep the gray, but it helped maintain the ashiness. I really love all the different colors that are in my hair right now. It's not for everybody, not everybody's gonna love it, but I actually really love it. And I love that I found a shampoo and conditioner that kind of helps me maintain it. Now, both of these come in a set, and they retail for $32.95, and I will leave a link down below if you guys are interested. The company reached out to me and they wanted to send me this for free to try, and I was like, yes, of course, I'll try it. I get brassy hair quick. I was like, yes, hands down, send it to me. So they sent it to me, and I've been using it for 2 months. Now I want to give you guys my honest review, my honest opinion. $32.95 for shampoo and conditioner. In my opinion, my lifestyle, it's too much. It's expensive. But if you guys can fork that money out, and you do have gray hair or blonde hair, or hair that gets brassy quick, this is really good, because you end up spending money to maintain that color anyways. And if you buy a shampoo and conditioner that works and that maintains that color, also maintains the health of your hair, it is actually worth it. So when I think about it like that, in the upkeep and the maintenance of my hair, I would spend more money and damage my hair more, like with the maintenance, or would I get a shampoo and conditioner that will help keep the color longer, help not get so brassy, and just help the health of my hair and the condition of my hair as well? It's actually worth it. So my review, let me talk about the conditioner. The conditioner eliminates brassy and yellow tones, color safe, so the same thing. Conditioner does the same thing as the shampoo. Now the smell. The shampoo smells like men's cologne, and I love that. After you step out of the shower, your hair smells so good, and the conditioner makes your hair really soft. Now there are certain conditioners that you put it on, then you leave it on for a bit, and then you wash it off, and when you get out of the shower, your hair is so dry. Like, you just conditioned your hair, but it's so dry. And with this, you condition it, it washes off, and like while it's washing off, all the tangles come out. So I really love a conditioner that can do that. And then when you step out of the shower, your hair smells so good. It tames a lot of frizz. When you dye your hair, there's damage that's being done to your hair. So I tend to get split ends, and then the split kind of like sticks out. And I noticed that when I use this conditioner, there's not a lot of frizz, and split ends are cut down a ton. So I really love the conditioner. So my overall opinion of using these two for 2 months, it's definitely helped the health of my hair. It made my hair look 10 times better. The color, it really preserves the color. Like whether you have gray or blonde or hair that's like ashy toned, this really preserves that ashiness, and I really like that, because then I don't have to dye my hair as often, or I don't have to like get something to make my hair ashier. I can just use this, and it really helps to maintain it. It smells really good. The price kind of bothers me, but then again, like, when you think about the maintenance, it is worth it. I really love it, and I highly recommend this to everybody that has like golden tones, brassy tones, gray and blonde hair, because it's like a lifesaver for your hair. Not only does it control the damage, it helps repair and mend the hair. It smells really good. It makes your hair soft, shiny, just It makes your hair look and feel better. And it makes your hair feel better to the touch too. If you touch your hair when you get out of the shower when it's dry, you feel a difference. The softness is a major difference that I felt in my hair. Even my boyfriend, whenever he felt my hair, he just noticed a difference in the way that it felt, because it was softer and you can run your fingers through it really, really easily. So would I purchase this? Yes, I would. The reason is because I feel like it would be a cheaper alternative to maintaining my hair. It would be a healthier alternative to maintaining the color of my hair. So I wanted to come on here and tell you guys what I've been using for the past 2 months on my hair. And this is what has been contributing to me keeping the ashiness of my hair and keeping my hair this color. Again, you know, hair color does fade, but you can do things and use things that will help preserve the color a little bit longer, and I feel like this is a great thing to use. If you guys are interested in these, I will leave it linked down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.